Hello, welcome to the February 4th development stream of Skin Deep. I am Brenda Chung, and today we are gonna work a bit on this mech system. So, this is what happens when you blow up a robot. Let's see. Show AI show state 0. Okay. So we are going to shoot it. It's on fire. It's going to explode. There it goes. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. We added the little spinning number around it to make it clear when it's going to explode. So it's very readable about what's happening with this robot, which is kind of nice. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Yeah, so there's a few things we want to add. One of them is when you pick up the weapon, that when it explodes. Right now we don't have a way of checking how much ammo is left inside the weapon. So we got to figure that out. And the other thing is, I noticed when the robot is about to explode, there's a little fire on top of his head, but the fire does not emit any light. And so I thought we should probably change that. It's a little bit weird to be in a dark room and have the robot not emit, have the fire not emit any light. That's kind of strange. So let's make a better test case for this. We're going to make this light very dark. And we're going to move this a bit closer to the wall so that we could see the effect a little bit easier. I'm going to move the player a little bit closer. And give me 1 second. All right. We're also going to change the player definition file to start with the shotgun by default. And that will let us do our test case a little bit easier. All right. Okay, so now we are going to add a light source to this thing. Okay, so let's add a light source. What's the best way of doing this? Well, let's look at... Let's just search for id light. Okay. So, I'm gonna grab you. Copy you in here. Paste you in here. Oops, excuse me. I did not copy that correctly, did I? Let's try that again. Okay. Oh. My tea is done. I'll be right back. Actually, sorry, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to call this firelight. And I'm going to open this up. Okay, so we're going to spawn a light source when the fire happens. Here it is. And we're going to position it where the fire is. Actually, let's do this. Okay, arg set origin, that texture. So I think we have a fire texture. Maybe not. I thought we did. Oh, there it is. Lights, flames. Okay, I'm gonna copy you. Put you in there. No shadows. Start off 1, 0, 1, 1. Let's make you a nice dark orange. Set radius, light off. Okay, all right. So far, so good. Then we go to the fire particles. Top joint, top of head. Top joint, F, bottom T. Okay. Well, let's see if this works. All right, so hopefully what should happen is the robot will burst into flames and we'll have a nice light effect that comes out of it. Cool. Well, yeah. There's definitely a light effect. It's a little bit bright. It's a little bit too big. So we're gonna shrink it down a little bit. Let's make it a little bit more red. Was there anything else we wanted to change? Oh yeah, let's turn the shadows off. That's what we want to do. Okay. Oh right, we need to turn it off when it blows up. So I think it's right here. Death timer. Okay, we'll do a little fade out. How about this kind of nice long one? That'd be kind of fun. 3 seconds long. Let's do that. Okay. Let's try it again. Oh, I made the light too small. Let's figure this out. All right, so it was 512. 120 is too small. Let's try 256. We want it to at least reach the floor. As long as it illuminates the floor, then I think we're fine. Oh, now it's huge. Huh. Okay. Oh. And also that fade out is way too long. All right, something between 128 and 256. We'll try 192. And we'll make the fade out be 1 second long. Maybe that's more reasonable. Okay. You know what? I think one of the problems is that it feels really weird that the light source is like that's not really how light works. You don't expect it to see it like shimmying like that. So I think we're gonna do this a little bit differently. Instead of binding it to the fire, we're gonna just bind it to like its origin point so that it doesn't move so much. Let's just check it out. Okay, yeah. Well, this actually probably makes it a little bit easier. Fire, let's open up Blender. Mech. So we want to measure out how far above the ground we want the light to be. So about 140 units. Sounds right. Set origin. Oh, let's do this. Physics. Get origin plus. Rise it up 100. Let's say 135 units. Then bind to this. False. Okay, so actually, oops. Let me delete a little chunk up here. Get rid of you. Okay, let's try this out. So what should happen is the light should not shake. It should just be like a stationary thing. Oh, okay. So, what looks like what's happening is that the light, my light texture itself was designed to wiggle around like really, really shake a lot. So we want to change what light texture we're using. Let's just use this one for now. Just to make sure that what's happening is what I think is happening. So this light should be just stationary. Let's see what happens. Okay, right. So it's a nice stationary light. Okay, all right. Yeah. Huh, how are these two different? Flames and flames faded. Well, let's try this one. Let's give it a shot. Okay, let's make a new light texture. What should we call this? We'll call it Flames Ambient. Colored, rotate. Let's slow this down a lot. Shear time times. I was going to slow this down a lot. Yeah, let's try it out. Let's try this. Lights. Okay, save that, and let's build it. Okay. I'm gonna turn the audio off before I go bananas. Okay, so let's just tweak these numbers until it looks... until it's in a place where we think it looks pretty good. Let's try that. That's actually not bad. Yeah, it kind of works. We're just going to keep looking at it until we're happy with it. Yeah, sure. All right, so it looks pretty good in a dark room. Let's try it in a room that's pretty brightly lit. So I'm going to move you away from the wall. I'm going to crank this light source back up. And let's take a look. It's not really the best light effect. I mean, it really looks like textures rotating in a circle, which is, I don't know, not really. I think we could do better than that. Let's look around. Yeah, let's try this. Let's remove that. Okay. Let's give that a shot. Wow, so pixely. It's so strange. Why is that happening? Oh, why did I do that? Nearest. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, that didn't look too good either, I don't think. Okay, let's try cranking these numbers a bit. Yeah, that's not so good. Let's try this. Well, alright, nothing's happening now. Okay, put you back in. It's not doing anything, so we're going to remove it. Okay, let's try this. Let's give this a shot. Well, okay, let's tweak that a bit. It's going a little bit too fast. How about even more? Yeah, this isn't really working that great. Well, I don't know. Let's cut our losses. It was looking okay before. I think I was just being a little... Thought I could see something better in my mind, but I don't think I could do it right now. Okay. Revert it back. Yeah, it's okay. Let's get rid of this nearest flag. Maybe that'll... Oh yeah, that's a lot better. these numbers a bit. Let's do that. Let's do that. All right, yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that reads pretty well. I wonder if we could shrink the light a little bit. No. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, cool. Looking good. We will leave it there for now. Our blown up robot. If you're on the ground, you launch it, you're just gonna slide your butt. Boom. That's pretty funny. Alright. Alright, I think I'm gonna do a short stream today. I think I'm gonna end it for now. Cool. Yeah, thanks to y'all for joining me. It's been a lot of fun. Got some stuff done. I think the mech is looking pretty good. And the fire effect is a lot more readable now. I think it always looks kind of weird when you have a light source, but it doesn't emit any light. So I think this is gonna smooth over a lot of things. It'll be good in the long run. All right, I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.